Welcome to Key Principles of Survey Design. This video is section 4.2, Survey Designs in Quantitative Educational Research. Let's look at the learning objectives for this module. First, we will answer the question, what are some basic concepts of survey research? Second, we will find the answer to, what are some strategies for optimizing survey flow? Third, we will explore what is an appropriate survey length. Fourth, we will determine why piloting a survey is important. This video will cover Objective 1. A response rate is the percentage of your sample who has completed your survey. For example, if you send out a survey to 100 individuals and 25 respond, your response rate is 25%. Obtaining a higher response rate means it is more likely to collect responses from all segments of the targeted population. Missing certain segments may cause your research to reach inaccurate estimates. Online surveys often struggle to reach high response rates. A typical response rate is between 30 to 40%. A well-designed survey will persuade as many individuals as possible to complete your survey and hopefully achieve a higher response rate. Response rates are also important for publication. Journals often require or expect survey research to achieve a set response rate to be considered for publication. Academic medicine, for example, desires a 50% response rate. However, they do realize that important work may not achieve this and may overlook a low response rate if a justification is provided. The goal of survey design is to increase the likelihood that respondents will start and complete your survey. To help improve your response rate, it is vital that your survey and items are easy to read and understand. A survey should be viewed as a conversation. It needs to have a natural flow that builds rapport and trust with your respondent. This will keep your respondent engaged and invested in your survey. If you are successful, your survey will collect the data you need to answer your research questions. Now that you know a little more about surveys, scroll down to take a survey. As you take it, ask yourself if it meets the goals of survey design.